Hi everyone, I'm Beta Delisi with Stonegate Legal Services. If you enjoy watching informative videos like this one, hit the subscribe button. Today we're going to talk about, can a landlord evict a tenant for causing damages? And the answer to that is absolutely. However, the landlord must always give the tenant an opportunity to correct that mistake. So, the tenant has to either pay for the repair or do the repair himself. If the tenant fails to pay for the cost of repair or have the repair completed, the landlord can file an application to go to the board for damages. The notice that the landlord can fill out and file with the board is called an N5 for damages. However, the landlord must outline what the damage was as well as an estimated cost of repair. The landlord must also give the tenant an opportunity to fix that damage. Even if the damage was done by mistake, it is the responsibility of the tenant to fix it. To try to avoid these things from happening, it is very important for a landlord to properly qualify a tenant before the start of the tenancy. With filling out these notices, it's important to obtain the help of a legal professional. So if you need help filling out these forms, contact us. This concludes this video. If you enjoy watching these videos, click the subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, write them below. We'd love to hear from you. Bye for now.